Hey guys, welcome back to 2-Minute Coder. Today we're doing Leetcode problem 424, which is longest repeating character replacement. So just take a moment to pause the video and read the question. Alright, so for this solution, we'll be using the sliding window method. And our main logic is going to be if our window size minus the most frequent value is greater than k, then we remove from left of our window. All right, so because we know it's a sliding window method, let's initialize our left pointer. Let's also initialize our result that we will return, and let's also initialize our most frequent value. Okay, and to keep track of what the most frequent value is, let's use a integer array as a dictionary. Okay, so this will be of 26 characters, because we're just going to make an integer array that keeps track of how many times each character has appeared, right? So there are 26 characters in the alphabet. Now for our for loop, so for int right equals 0, right less than the length of the string, and right increments. Let's add to our dictionary. So we can get this dictionary and then index it by the character at right minus capital A, and we'll increment that value. Okay, so this part is imperative because whatever character is going to appear here, it's going to have a integer value, right? And we're going to keep this as our base. So if this character is capital A, then it will be 0, right? So capital A minus capital A is 0. If this is capital B, then capital B minus capital A is 1, right? So like so, we're going to index our dictionary. Once we add to our dictionary, we also have to keep track of our most frequent value. So we can do that by the max method, right? Frequent value. And we have to compare it to this, right? So now that we've done that, let's check our window size, right? So while, and then we have to make sure that we have to check for this statement, okay? So while our window size, which is right minus left plus 1 minus the most frequent value, is greater than k, let's actually keep this in brackets as well. Okay, so while this is true, we remove from the left of our window, right? So remove from left. That means that we have to again go into our dictionary and get the character at left minus capital A and decrement it. And then we move our left pointer up, right? And then finally, after this for loop is done, let's just return result. But we have to also calculate result. Yes, I forgot to calculate result. But that is pretty straightforward. Just use the max method again and compare it between result and right minus left plus 1, which is our window size. All right, submit that. Perfect. So that was Leetcode problem 424. Hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe for more.